Welcome to Crystal Bliss Phonics, where we learn our sounds one step at a time. Today we are going to learn our letter sounds from A to Z. Our first letter is A. So we have A as in apple, A as in alligator, A as in ant, B as in banana, B as in bag, B as in butterfly, K as in cat, K as in car, K as in cookie, D as in dog, D as in duck, D as in drum, E as in elephant, E as in egg, E as in elbow, F as in fish, F as in frog, F as in flower, G as in gorilla, G as in goat, G as in grapes, H as in house, H as in horse, H as in heart, E as in igloo, E as in ink, E as in insect, J as in jellyfish, J as in jar, J as in jeep, K as in king, K as in kite, K as in key, L as in lion, L as in lamp, L as in leg, M as in mouse, M as in moon, M as in milk, N as in nose, N as in nest, N as in net, O as in octopus, O as in orange, O as in onion, P as in pineapple, P as in piano, P as in pizza, Q as in queen, Q as in quilt, Q as in quiz, as in robot, as in rainbow, as in rocket, S as in sun, S as in star, S as in snake, T as in tiger, T as in tree, T as in train, as in under, as in umbrella, as in up, V as in violin, V as in volcano, V as in van, W as in watch, W as in waterfall, W as in whale. X as in X-ray. X as in box. X as in fox. Y as in yam. Y as in yogurt. Y as in yak. Z as in zipper. Z as in zebra. Z as in zigzag. Great job today! Keep practicing your sounds one step at a time. See you in the next lesson.